So the first question is, how do I work out my hair type? Well, everyone's hair type is different, and there is no such thing as a good hair type or a bad hair type, so just take that out of your mind first of all. There are loads of things that kind of people think of when they're thinking about their hair type. They think about their curl pattern, their hair porosity, the density, the length, the thickness. There's so many different things, but the main thing that people are referring to is the curl pattern. The most widely used system is the system by Andre Walker. So this ranges from 1A to 1C to 4A to 4C. So these are all the ways from 1s to 4s, 1 being straight, 2 being wavy, 3 being curly, and 4 being coily. So the way it works is the numbers represent the type of curl pattern you have, so straight to coily, and then the letters represent the coarseness of the hair. So A is typically the fine, B is the medium, and C is the coarsest. So for a 1A, that is very straight, fine hair. A 1C would be straight but thicker, coarser hair with maybe a slight curl definition. And that follows through all the way through to curly, coily. So with a 3A, that is probably the loosest, finest curl. And then a 3C would be the coarsest curl. So I'm probably a 3C, verging on a 4A, because my curls are the coarsest type of curls. So they verge onto coils. So that's how the hair typing system works, and that's how you can determine your hair type. A lot of the time people have more than one hair type, and that is completely normal. You are not alone. As I said, I'm a 3C, sometimes 4A, depending on how my hair's feeling. And I know for a lot of people that their hair type is different at different parts of their head. So a lot of the time at the crown of people's heads, which is this part right here at the back, kind of top, people find that they have a coarser hair type. So over here I'm about a 4A. A lot of the time people find that at the front they have a looser curl pattern, and that is completely normal. It doesn't necessarily mean that your hair is damaged, but a lot of the time if you have, for example, a regular curl and then at the end of the curl it's dead straight, that is probably a cause of heat damage, and you can either transition or you could do the big chop and just cut it all off. But yeah, so that is how you can determine your hair type.